Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Christmas Skibidi toilet surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Skibidi toilet Christmas surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to start off by lining up the corners of my paper and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'll give it another fold right down the middle. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I'm going to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin on the top above the fold. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to make the bottom of a Santa hat. So I'm just going to make some kind of like bumpy lines right across here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down like this. You can see I kind of made it curve out a little bit. Then I'm just going to make a line here and a line here. Then we'll just connect it over here. Next, I'm going to make a little kind of bumpy line around there. Now, let's make the back of it. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. I'm going to curve it around, and we're just going to bring it down here, right to about there. Then let's just go ahead and draw a line right across the top here. We'll make a little line that goes out, down, and in for the flusher. Next, underneath the fold, let's draw a nice big smiley face shape for the curve of the bowl. And then let's just draw a line down here and a line down here. Then we'll make a line across. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. We have the bottom and the top, and we have all this empty space in here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to finish up this Santa hat. So I'm just going to continue these bumpy lines down here. And then starting up a little bit, I'm going to make another nice little row of these bumpy lines. You can see I didn't touch any edges there. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring a line that's just going to come down here. And then same thing here, down here. We'll just kind of connect this. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down, and then same thing here. We're just going to kind of come out and then down and in. And then we're just going to curve this right across. Next, right here, we're going to make a curve here and a curve here. And then we're just going to make a nice big smile. Then right here, we're going to make another big smiley face, just like this. And I'll put a little curve under here. Next, I'm going to make a line down here and a line down here for the teeth. And we're just going to make a nice big smile. And then we'll just draw some lines that come up and down here for the teeth. Now for the nose, we're just going to draw a line that's going to come down and up. And we'll put a little curve on each end. Then we'll put a little curve on each side. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and this line up for the nose. Now for the eyes, I'm just going to make a line that goes up and down in a sad face, and then same thing here, up and down in a sad face. Then we're just going to go down and up, and down and up. I'm going to make a circle inside each one. And then I'm just going to color most of this in, leaving just a little bit white on there for the pupil. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and down, and then up and down for the eyebrows. And then we'll just make another row and then kind of color this in, just to kind of make this eyebrow a little bit bigger. Then I want to put a little line underneath each eye. Over here we're going to make a line that goes up and down for the ear, and then up and down for the ear. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down on each side for the hair. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to bring this line across and connect, and then another line across and connect. Next, I'm going to bring this line down for the neck, and this line down for the neck. And then we're just going to put a little curve here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down. And then we're going to draw the toilet seat. So let's begin by drawing a line that's going to curve up, and then we're going to make another line that's going to curve up. Put a little broken line on here, just to make some detail. And then we're just going to bring these lines down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Skibidi toilet Christmas surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we just have a little Christmas hat, and then when we open it, he is popping out of here. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.